times that without all of your support, there's no way we could do what it is we do here today. So even if you haven't had the opportunity to make it up on the stage yet, it does not diminish all the work that you do with raising the dogs. We recognize all of the hard work and effort that goes into doing that, and we thank you very much for doing all that work. So thank you guys. Okay. One of our graduates is changing the our procedure here. So here. So let's bring that here. Okay. There you go.
Dan, would you like to stay here, and would Ashley and Becca come please? On behalf of OR. We would like to present you with a little token of our appreciation for all the hard work that you've invested into training and working with the dogs and getting them prepared for all us as students. It's been really a handful right at the moment. But you know, we as a class, we're very grateful for all the hard work that Dan and Ashley and Becky have done and the time that they've given. And we just would like to present them with a card here with some certificates in them, gift certificates for them to go to their favorite places to, and we're just really thankful. So,
thank you.
Well, thank you guys very much. That was quite unexpected. So now we're actually going to begin our guide work demonstration. But before we do that, Ashley is here with a very attractive female yellow lab named Formosa. And before they actually do the guide work portion of the demo, she's going to do a few obedience exercises just to kind of warm Formosa up and make sure that she's ready and she's focused and attentive. Now, you might notice, or if you've ever been to an AKC type obedience session or setting, anything like that, we don't necessarily look for precision in positioning and all those types of things. What we really look at is attentiveness, focus. Is the dog with us? Are they ready to do what it is we want to do? So she did a few sits and downs with her, a series of sits and downs. Now she's doing a stay exercise. Doesn't look like Formosa's doing very much, but she's doing exactly what Ashley wants her to do. So she's going to tell her she did a good job.
Thank you.
So the next thing she's going to have her do kind of starts off just like the stay exercise does, but this time she's going to call her dog back to her, get her in a good position. Very nice. And obviously all of the dogs that are up here. I don't know who's distracted more. Yay, very good. You guys get on that. So to begin the guide work part now, she's gonna grab her harness. Ashley, grab your harness. So she's gonna grab her harness, and she's gonna get her into a nice position, put her harness on. And you'll notice that she might have a little bit of a demeanor change. It's not uncommon that most of the dogs recognize that when the harness comes on, it's time to go to work, and they're gonna become a little bit more focused and even a little bit more attentive. So she's gonna get her back on her side. And from here, when she tells her forward, Formosa actually has a choice. There's a ramp and a staircase over here. She can pick which one she wants to go down. In this case, she's picking the ramp, and that's fine. When she gets to the